Hey guys, thanks for watching. I just want to take a couple of minutes to show you some of the things I've been doing here in the garage for the past couple of days. It's been a lot of work, but it really turned out good. And I also have something new I want to show you that I installed. But I'm going to start from the top and just kind of work my way down here and show you some of the details. This top wall back here was just mangled. So I used a lot of filler, and then I had some color match paint and painted it. And it's all good and cleaned up. That top shelf, I just put some white paint on it. And I hang the Vizio soundbar. Smudged it a little bit with the paintbrush. Oops. That back wall there got painted. I think I need to switch out that switch plate too. And I just used honey oak stain on this shelf here. Of course, I sanded it and all that. Right, here's something I really like. I hooked up a step-down buck converter and wired in a switch and outlet and voltmeter, so I have power. I'm going to be changing out that outlet for a heavier duty one. That's this one I had laying around. I get all my stuff from Andy's 12 volt technology store, but here's that little shelf for the subwoofer, and there's my little LED spotlight. Let's get in here and I'll show you the step down buck converter I installed. And you can pick these up on Amazon for about 20 bucks, 2-day delivery. I really like these because they have little screw in deals instead of the little poke in the wire terminals. Really nice and secure. I use 16 gauge THHNROHS wire. Hung them with some cable relief up there. It's good for 20 amps, but what I do like about this little buck converter, it has a 40 volt input. And you can also adjust the constant current output too, which is really slick too. Alright guys, there you have it. I just wanted to show you some of my work. It's just a lot of sanding, filling, and repairs, and all that. Hey, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.